the wires through. Lift the seat up. Pull it down right there. Run it through. And that's it. Secure those a little better, but ran up under there. All the way down. All the way down here. Right here is where I'm at with it. Right under this carpet. It's gonna run all the way over. The seam. This is the main floor carpet. It's gonna run all the way over. Up through here, back behind the dash, to the radio. Alright, so cut these right here, right? Now, 9 times out of 10, when it comes to speaker wires, they usually twist it together like this to let you know it's a pair, but always go and type in the vehicle wiring diagram from the amp to be sure. So, in this car, this factory amp isn't working for whatever reason. The radios have been changed, so we are running an aftermarket amp. MTX 75.4. It's a very powerful amp. Might not look like it because it's so small, but these power ratings on it. It's a pretty good amp. And I am authorized to sell this brand also. Got everything back in, just gotta put the bolts in. Speaker wires. It's gonna come out this way somewhere. Might cover a small hole somewhere for it to, come out. And yeah, I might mount the amp right here and just I don't know. I figure it out. Alright, this is the amp is getting mounted. It's gonna go straight back on that gas tank. So the hole right here for RCAs, hole right here for speaker wires, and hole right here for the power wires.